where I'm going to talk about a fortune teller.
Is a person who predicts the future. Yes, they normally have a crystal ball in which they see what will happen. And what do you think that is the future that they are going to use? Yes, will. Why are they going to use will? Because they talk about predictions without evidence. Remember that evidence are those things that we can see. So, let's start using the will.
Hello, I will be your future teller and I'm going to read and I'm going to say what's in your future.
I have many questions about my future. The first question that I have is, will I be rich? Will I have a lot of money?
Well, I see that yes, you will have zillions of money, which means you will be rich.
Also, I want to know about love. When will I get married?
I also see that you will get married in 2030 with a famous YouTuber.
Whoa. Does that mean that I will be famous?
Sure, you will be very famous. You and your husband.
And then what will be my job?
You won't have a job. Remember that you will be rich. You will not have a job.
And then what will I do with my free time?
Well, here in my crystal ball, I see that you will travel all around the world.
Amazing. I always wanted to do that. And how many children will I have?
Well, I can see that you will have 7 children.
Oh God.
7?
I think that ball is not right. Don't you think it's broken or something? That cannot be right.
No, this is not broken. This maybe is a fish ball, but it's not broken. I can see the future in this fish crystal ball. And I also see that you will be having those 7 children with different fathers. So you will get married twice. Yes, you will have 2 husbands.
You mean twice? Like,
the last one will be the president of Germany.
that will be nice. I will be the wife of the president, like Lady Di.
Yes, like Lady Di.
And I will be happy.
I don't see that you will have a very happy life. You will not. Until you are divorced from all your husbands. When you get divorced, you will have 3 cats. And you will live with your parents again. And unfortunately, you will lose all your money.
Nothing of yours is broken. The crystal ball, broken. So thank you for watching this short video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it and that you had so much fun. And I hope it's very helpful for you, for your activities and to learn English. So see you in the next video. Bye!